Every day we escape, losing all of our faith. We can't live this way. Feel me slowly fade away.
Good morning, YouTube family. Welcome to another day in my life. As you can see, the workout has begun and I'm doing it from my house. It's around 8:10 and I'm actually planning to do a 30 minutes workout because I need to be on my desk by 9:30 at least. Thank you so much for coming on board. I'm breathing like that because I'm so tired, and today I really struggled with waking up. But guys, you know what? Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. So let's continue.
Every day I feel time slipping, passing, skipping by. All the words I could say just can't really seem to stay.
So I'm done with my workout. It's around 8:41 and at least it's not yet 9. But today I want to go with you guys and make my breakfast because I didn't make breakfast. Like, I don't have anything in the house for breakfast, so there's something I really need to go and make so that we can have together. So I'll just fold this mat quickly, wash my hands, and then go to the kitchen, and while it will be cooking I'll just go and shower. So let's go and do this, guys. But I'm so tired. So as you can see, I want to make sweet potatoes. That's what we're gonna have for breakfast today. Yes, so I'm just gonna do it so quickly.
Every time I divide all the fractions of my mind, take away all the pain, give myself another day.
Hey, so I was about to forget, but yes, I'm having this for breakfast. I made some eggs. Yes, I need protein, so yeah, I'm gonna have eggs and then the sweet potatoes.
I decide if we'll ever see the sign. I ignored all the lines showing me eternal light.
The breakfast that I had was super heavy. Yes, but now on my to-do list, this is what I'm supposed to do. Number one thing that I'm supposed to do is 2020 first quarter target clients. This is something that I listed before, like just planning for my first quarter of next year and the kind of client that I want to approach, listing down the type of client that I want to approach, and then what is it that I want to go and offer them. So that's what I'll be doing today. And then I have so much to do though. I need to edit some images that there's a shoot that happened over the weekend, so I need to edit some images and share with client. And then I have a meeting outside with another client. That's in the afternoon. Number 3 thing that I'm supposed to do is sort out my machine. Like, I feel like it's getting full, so I need to transfer some things to my hard drive. Then the next thing that I'm supposed to do is shoot 2 videos. And this one I'm thinking of doing it at the client's place because this client is someone that I happen to know. I've known her for a very long time. So I'm hoping they'll give me a place where I can actually just shoot my 2 videos. So the last thing I'm supposed to do is apply for some scholarship. Yes. So that's on my to-do list.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale.
Yes, good people. Yes. So I have done editing the pictures. Tick. I'm supposed to sort out my machine, like transfer a little bit of stuff, delete the ones that I don't need. I've done the deleting part. Now transferring is what is left. So the next thing that I'm supposed to do is apply for the scholarship that I mentioned earlier. And this scholarship is one of my dreams come 2020. I'll let you guys know more about the information on this scholarship, and it's something that we're doing with a friend of mine. We're actually applying with a friend of mine. I think she did already, so I'm the one who been here. But I just know it has a lot of questions because I've just opened the document and I'm seeing it's like 5 pages to go. On the first page now, the 5 things that I need to fill in. So yeah, so let's see how that goes. So for now, let me get into applying for this scholarship.
I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale.
Yes, my good people, so I'm actually done doing most of the stuff, like almost like 3 things that I was doing today. So I need to leave my house, but I'll leave after having lunch. So right now we're just gonna have lunch quickly and then I head for my meeting, which is supposed to be in the next 40 minutes, and it's not far away from my house, so I'll definitely just go faster. But I'm also carrying clothes for changing because I'm planning to shoot today. So I'm hoping to, to shoot from my client's place. So that's the thing. So guys, after the kitchen, the next place you'll be seeing me is at the client's. Cool? Yeah. This is our lunch for today. Yep.
I've been running away from you. I've been trying to keep my cool.
Hi guys, I'm finally here for my meeting. My clients happen to be someone that you know. Most of you know this client of mine, Sarah. So Sarah, you can say hi to me.
Hi guys.
Yes, so we work together, like we do projects together, and I'll be offering some services too.
She's fantastic
Yeah.
in what she does. I'm
Yeah,
so proud of you.
oh, thank you. Now we continue with whatever we're working on, and yeah,
Enjoy.
thank you.
Yeah, I do. That I do. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back.
What's up guys? By the way, today I was representing Nigeria, yes, with all these things. But yes, so guys, I'm back home. My day has been successful. Like, I am so tired, by the way, and I'm not complaining. I'm tired because I've had a very productive day, and I am going to take this. Finally I found a place for my wherever, for my to-do list. Yes, it looks small though, but it's not that small, so you guys are able to, what I've did today. By the way, I edited images, so that's a tick. Meeting with the client, that's a tick. Sort my machine out, that's a tick. But this is continuous thing I'll be doing. I was supposed to shoot 2, but I only did 1, so it's like half tick. And then scholarship, of course, this one I did. So number 1 I didn't do again. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again next time.